course on Location Kit in HMS ecosystem. The contents covered in this tutorial are Introduction, Location Kit required settings, checking the device location, continuously obtaining the location, removing location updates, getting the last known location, getting mock location, activity identification service, geofence service, then one demo for the tutorial, FAQs, and some useful links. Introduction.
Whether your app is about sports or a lifestyle, or something else entirely, it may need a user's location to record routes, recommend places nearby, or even connect them with other users in the area. Huawei Location Kit essentially provides three functions: fused location, geofencing, and activity identification. Convergent locating integrates GPS, Wi-Fi, and base station location data. A simple and easy-to-use API lets you quickly request a user's location and get an accurate response with a 99% success rate. Location Kit also supports offline locating, which greatly reduces your app's power consumption. If your app is a navigation or ride-hailing app, Location Kit, powered by Super GPS, can make huge improvements in user experience. For users wanting to catch a cab or know where to go, an app integrated with Location Kit can accurately tell which side of the street they're on, doubling the accuracy. The geofencing function allows you to set places of interest and the corresponding notification rules. When users enter or leave defined areas or stay there for a length of time, your app will automatically send them a notification. Location Kit supports on-chip geofencing, which consumes 35% less power than geofencing based on application processors. Location Kit's activity recognition function is particularly useful when integrated into health and fitness apps. Huawei devices contain multiple sensors that can detect different activities, such as walking, running, cycling, driving, or resting. These sensors send low-power signals to your app, which then uses this information to adapt services to users. Huawei Location Kit provides a better user experience by letting you add fast and accurate location features while using less power.
In mobile applications, location is needed for different situations, like booking a taxi, ordering takeout, sharing location, finding information about tourism places, and other apps where the precise location is needed. The Location Kit gives powerful locating capabilities to the app. Service Introduction. Location Kit combines GNSS, that is Global Navigation Satellite System, Wi-Fi, and base station location functionalities into the application to provide flexible location-based services. The three main capabilities that Location Kit gives are fused location, activity identification, and geofence service. Fused location gives the APIs to quickly obtain the device location based on GNSS, Wi-Fi, and base station location data. The activity identification identifies user motion status through acceleration sensor, cellular network information, and magnetometer. It can detect walking, running, cycling, and driving. The geofence service allows to set an interested area through an API so that application can receive notification when a subscribed device for the service enters, exits, or stays in that area. Here is a pictorial representation of HMS Location Kit capabilities. The features of location kit are high success rate, that is around 99%, fast locating, that is less than a second, high locating accuracy, and low power consumption. Here are some applications using HMS location kit. Restrictions of location kit. For Huawei devices, fused location is supported in EMUI 5.0 or later versions. Geofence is supported in EMUI 8.0 or later versions. Activity identification is supported in EMUI 9.1.1 or later versions. For non-Huawei devices, fused location is supported in Android 8.0 or later versions. Geofence is supported in Android 5.0 or later versions. Activity identification is not supported for non-Huawei devices. HMS Location Kit Required Settings. Create an app in App Gallery Connect. Provide SHA key, package name, and other details. Set the storage location. Enable the Location Kit API in Manage API section. Download the AgConnect services.json file and add it under app directory. In project level build.gradle file, add the Maven URL in the build script and all projects section respectively. Add class path inside the dependency section. Add the plugin and dependency. Add the required permissions and then sync the Gradle file. Now we will check the device location settings. The location kit function depends on the device location settings. It is recommended that the app should check whether the device settings meet the location requirements before obtaining the device location. Location kit provides the function of checking device location settings. Your app can obtain the settings client instance using get settings client passing activity instance of location services and call the check location settings passing location settings request instance method to obtain the device location settings. Call get settings client method to obtain a settings client instance. Call check location settings to check the device location settings. Get the location settings request dot builder object. Get the location request object. Add it to builder. Get the location settings request object. Check the location settings using the settings client object. Get the result on callback based on whether settings is enabled or not. Now we will see how to continuously obtain the device location. Call Request Location Updates API provided by Huawei Location. Set the parameters for continuously requesting device location. Create a location request object. Set the interval and priority. Define the location update callback. Get the result in on-location result. Call request location updates and pass the callback and request object. Now we will see how to remove location updates. If our app does not need to receive location updates anymore, then we need to disable the location update function to reduce power consumption. To do this, call the remove location updates method and pass the location callback or pending intent object that we pass to the request location updates API. Now we will see how to get the last known location. To get the last known location, we have to use Get Last Location API provided by Huawei Location Kit. Now, we will go through mock location. To use the mock location function, go to Settings, System and Updates, Developer Options, select Mock Location App and select the desired app. If developer options is unavailable, then go to settings, about phone and tap the build number for 7 consecutive times. Then the developer options will be displayed on system and updates. Apply for the mock location permission in the Android manifest file. Call set mock mode and pass the boolean value to set the mock mode. We need to pass the value true to set the mock location enabled. Call set mock location on fused location provider client and pass the location to set the mock location. Activity Identification Service. Activity Identification Service identifies user motion status through the acceleration sensor, cellular network information, and magnetometer, helping you adapt your app to user behavior. It detects user behavior such as walking, running, cycling, and driving. We need to add activity recognition permission in the Android manifest file. Geofence service. The Geofence service allows to set up a virtual geographic boundaries to detect events such as device entering, exiting, or lingering within that boundary. For Geofence service, the app needs access, find location, course location, and background location permissions. Now, we will go through a demo. In the home screen, there are 4 buttons that are to get last location, request for location update, remove location update, and clear location information. Also, there are 2 text views to display latitude and longitude. If our app is a movie ticket booking app, then using location service, it can automatically get the current location and filter the items based on the current location. Here are some common FAQs based on HMS location kit. Here are some useful links. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.